My name is Mark Lagareos, and I come from the San Francisco Bay Area. I've been with Clever Investors since May of this year. I found out about Clever when, I've always been dabbling in real estate. I've come across all the other gurus, and I think it was a Facebook ad or something like that. I saw him, I followed him. I kind of really felt what he was saying, and he seemed to fill the gaps that other people did. That's how I came across Clever. I came to Labs now because I actually became a mentor. I'm being mentored, excuse me.
Okay.
I'm being mentored, and as part of being mentored, they offered the Clever Lab, and I thought that would be something very useful for me. Okay, I decided to go ahead and start a mentorship because, like I said, I've gone to other investment programs, and none of them filled the gap. When I talked to Cody, I didn't talk when I saw Cody. He seemed real, down to earth. He filled in a lot of the gaps that I had in my mind about other real estate programs. And yeah, I was apprehensive initially, but I know that because I've been dabbling so long that I needed to pull the trigger. I needed to put some skin in the game, like he likes saying. So I went ahead and didn't commit it, and I don't regret it at all. The event's been great. It makes you, basically you're not here sitting and listening to a teacher tell you, for 2 days. You're actually involved, very organized, a lot of energy in the class, and it really motivates you. And you always have everyone's available for every little question that you have. So that's really helpful. Phone calls were good. Initially, I think everyone goes through the same problem. You're apprehensive, you don't know who to talk to, but they work through those things for you, they help you out, and now I feel a lot more comfortable making the calls. Well, my why involves my family. I think a lot of other potential investors have the same why. One daughter's in college, my son's going to college, but things are not as sure as they used to be. So if they don't follow through on their careers, I want to make sure that this is an option I can give them so that they can have a better life. Well, I think Clever can help me with that because I signed up for the mentorship, which is fantastic. And for the period of time that I'm in there, they're there 100% of the time. I have a great mentor, Brian Core, and I've only been in for 4 weeks, I think now. And I couldn't ask for more. I met him here. He's a fantastic person, and I know he's going to be behind me 100%.